Okay, see you again. Hi. Video number 20, chapter 4, from 5 science. Okay, vulcanization of the rubber. 硫化橡胶什么意思呢 ？Don't know. Natural rubber, which is soft and non-heat resistant. 天然胶太暖 ，not heat resistant 不耐高温。It's not suitable for the manufacturing of the thing like vehicle tire. 不适合用来做很多东西。Okay, like motor vehicle tire. So what to do? Natural rubber because of soft 因为它够暖了 it will be more suitable to make the surgical glove 就是开刀的手套 medical glove 就是医学的手套啦 or maybe make some condom okay 然后做 condom 啦 so not suitable to make the vehicle tire so what to do 要怎么办呢 Natural rubber need to be processed first 你可以拿去处理一下 by the method called vulcanization process 做硫化过程 okay so vulcanization process is a process in which sulfur is added to the natural rubber so you add sulfur to the natural rubber and the rubber suddenly will become harder stronger 突然间它就会变成很强很硬 and we call vulcanized rubber 啦硫化橡胶 okay But how to make it? This is a vulcanized rubber. Rubber add with the sulfur. 橡胶加硫磺过后就变成这样子的硬的橡胶 vulcanized rubber. Okay, but how to make it? 这样做呢 Number one, okay, heating up the natural rubber with the sulfur in the factory, in the industry, 在工业里面工厂。We just add the sulfur into the natural rubber and heat them together. They will form the chemical bond. 它们就形成 chemical bond 粘在一起 and become vulcanized rubber. But in our lab, 在科学室里面 we add the natural rubber. We soak in the natural rubber in the sulfur monochloride solution. 把天然胶蒸在一种液体里面 sulfur monochloride solution. Okay, and after half hour, 半小时过后 the rubber will become harder 啦，那块橡胶就会自己变成硬的橡胶，硫化橡胶。Okay? But who made the first vulcanized rubber and making the tire become millionaire? 谁做世界上第一个硫化橡胶呢 ？And making the tire, okay, finally become millionaire. 谁 ？You check, you try. Number one, Continental. Same tire.Okay, Goodyear. The name actually inside the tire 啦。Okay, 它的名字呢有出现在它的 tire。Michelin, not me, Michelin. Another one, Dunlop. Okay, so which of the brand 1、2、3、4、5 they're having the founder of the vulcanized rubber 有那个发明硫化橡胶的人的名字在里面。好了没有？自己猜一下。Okay, answer.Goodyear, okay, or what is mean by Goodyear? Charles Goodyear, or this is the founder of the natural rubber add sulfur become vulcanized rubber. 硫化橡胶就是他发明的 Charles Goodyear. Okay, next. But why after you add the sulfur, natural rubber suddenly become harder 变成硫化橡胶呢 ？Okay, draw on your notes 画在你的 notes 很容易画罢了。So you see, natural rubber actually is what? They are long chain polymer, 长长的 polymer, okay? And they just cross together, 它们长长 linear, 一条一条排美美在这边 okay? Or maybe they coin together, 它们可能卷来卷去 So they are soft, 它们通常比较软 If you stress it, 如果你拉它 the polymer becomes straightened, 它的 polymer 呢变直 And when you release it, they go back to the original shape 它又会变回它原本的形状转来转去 That's why It is elastic, 它有弹性，就是这个原因。But after you add the sulfur, what happened to the sulfur? 最重要的一个字。So after you add the sulfur, okay, or during the vulcanization process, sulfur atom form the cross linkage among the rubber molecule. Okay, sulfur 它跟橡胶的 polymer 之间呢形成了 cross linkage， 抓着。Okay, natural rubber actually soft, 它很暖，为什么呢？Okay, or stress rubber 很容易被拉，为什么呢 ？Because they can glide over one another. The polymer can glide over one another. 它可以滑来滑去，你拉它，它滑走，所以 it become longer 啦。Okay, but after you add the sulfur forming the cross linkage. Sulfur, the cross linkage, they hold the polymer together, 抓着它的 polymer, so they cannot glide over one another. 它们不能滑来滑去了，对不对 ？So become hard 就变成比较硬了。Pause the video and draw. And remember this word 这个字非常好用 ，cross linkage。OK， 它形成一种情况叫 cross linkage。Next， So now we compare natural rubber and vulcanized rubber， 比较一下天然胶跟硫化橡胶。Number one, natural rubber soft， 它比较软 ；vulcanized rubber hard， 它会比较硬了的。Natural rubber becomes sticky when exposed to high temperature， 温度高它溶掉 becomes sticky。But vulcanized rubber they will be heat resistant， 它比较耐高温 ，more resistant to heat。And does not become sticky at high temperature. 它耐高温。Natural rubber, vulcanized rubber, which one will be more elastic? 谁比较有弹性呢？想一下。And most of your answer will be opposite 了。你的答案通常倒反的。Okay, natural rubber and compared to vulcanized rubber, who is more elastic? 谁的弹性比较好呢 ？Okay， 想啊 ，natural rubber is more stressable， 它比较容易被拉。But after you stress it 呢？ Okay, and you hold it for half hour. 你挡着，你拉着它，不要放 for half hour 了。And after this, when you release it, it become longer. 它变长期了。this is what we call elasticity is not good. 它的弹性不好，它会变长。如果我的脸拉过后会变长下垂啊，弹性不好。But 我的 OK。Less elastic. Vulcanized rubber because of the cross linkage 抓着它 ，it is not stressable. 它比较难拉啦，硬嘛。But it will be more elastic， 它的弹性却比较好。More elastic， 弹性比较好。Okay， so this is vulcanized rubber， 弹性好过天然胶。Okay， so what is mean by elastic? You copy somewhere on the notes 啊，抄在你的 notes 的某某地方。Elastic means the ability to return to its original range after being stressed， 就是被拉过后可以回去原本的长度 ，not become longer， 这种才叫做 elastic。Okay， 那 prepare one experiment 我准备实验呢，你看爽就可以了。And the experiment will finally become your paper 2 essay。等一下它就变成你的 paper 2的 essay 了。Okay, now I prepared 2 pieces of rubber. One of them is vulcanized 硫化 ，another one will be unvulcanized 天然胶。Okay, so now I add a weight, let's say 500 gram. Can you tell me which one extend longer? 谁会被拉得比较长呢 ？Vulcanized or unvulcanized? 硫化还是不硫化 ？Unvulcanized rubber 不。Okay, so natural rubber or unvulcanized rubber extend longer when the weight are added. 你加了重量过后 ，okay, R is add 了啊。要不然就 was add. So this is what we call more stressable. 它比较容易被拉 ，OK? But now let's say I remove the weight. 我把这个重量呢 ，after half hour 呢 ，I remove the weight. 我把它的重量呢拿掉 ，OK? And finally, which one will become shorter? 谁会 go back to the original range and become shorter? OK? So vulcanized rubber 虽然刚才被拉的时候它不能长。Okay, but when you release it, 你放掉它的重量 they will return to its original range when the weight was removed 要不然 is removed, or this is what we call more elastic. 这种情况就叫做 elastic， 比较有弹性，被拉过后没有变强 or this is what we call elastic. 这种就是有弹性的意思啦。Okay, so this is a vulcanized rubber and natural rubber. 它们的差别就在这边。Okay, set. Bye bye. And now we go to the essay. 我们去看看它的 essay 讲写。